Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial: how to change your login PIN on the Capitec app for 2025. In an era where digital security is more important than ever, updating your PIN can help protect your accounts from unauthorized access. Whether you're doing this for added safety or just need a refresh, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Capitec app installed on your smartphone and that you're already logged in with your current PIN. This process is designed to be user-friendly, but always double-check for any app updates to avoid glitches. Step 1. Open the Capitec app on your device. You'll land on the home screen, which shows your accounts and quick options. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear symbol in the top corner. This will open up your app's main menu. Step 3. Scroll down and look for the Settings or Security section. It might be labeled as Account Settings or something similar, depending on the app version. Step 4. Once in Settings, find the option for Change PIN or PIN Management. You'll likely need to enter your current PIN here to verify your identity. Think of it as a security checkpoint. Step 5. Now, enter your new PIN. Make it strong. Aim for at least 6 digits, and if possible, include a mix of numbers and letters for better protection. Step 6. Confirm your new PIN by re-entering it in the next field. Double-check for any typos to ensure everything goes smoothly. Step 7. Hit the Save or Confirm button. If successful, you'll get a confirmation message, and your new PIN will be active immediately. And that's it, you've successfully updated your login PIN. If you encounter any errors, like the app freezing, try closing and reopening it or checking your internet connection. Remember, staying proactive with your security is key in 2025's digital world. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more helpful guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.